Hello, today's tutorial is how to make a popcorn stitch in a plushie when you're working in the round. So you've probably come from my axolotl pattern. So this is how we're going to make the popcorn stitch for my plushies. So you yarn over because you're going to make double crochets. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember that my version of the popcorn stitch and the picot stitch are pretty similar to the actual one. I just modified them a bit so that they can be used for plushies. So we have 5 double crochets in the same stitch. Take out your hook, and then right over here, let me see if I can, oops. Right over here, this is the top of the first double crochet, not the single crochet over here. The first double crochet that we made, you're going to insert your hook right there, grab the loop you just left off, yarn over, and pull through both, and then chain 1. So it should look like this. When we're making the other stitches, it'll be easy, it'll pop up better. You won't have any gaps, so none of the stuffing will be peeking through. So let's head over to the other side to make the other popcorn stitch so that we can have an idea. And with 6 double crochets that we just made, take out your loop, insert your hook, here, pull the loop, yarn over, pull through both, and chain 1. And then just continue making your plushie. Okay, so for the purpose of the axolotl stitches, what we're going to do is, I already started the other row, so I'm going to single crochet, and then if you pull your plushie over, this is just so that you don't add any extra stitches. So if you see, you have a little loop there, go ahead and single crochet. Then over here, you'll see like a little gap. This is actually the chain 1 that we made. So insert your hook through the other side, and there you have the final look. Then continue to the other one, continue making single crochets right here, and then it's easier if you pull the popcorn stitch forward, single crochet, and then on the other side, single crochet. And what this does is that the actual feet are going to be more pronounced. And yeah, thank you.